Hey ladies and gentlemen, today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making the Origami Crane. I'm going to be taking you through step by step exactly how to do it. Now confession is I have never been able to do origami, especially the Origami Crane. The books, the step-by-step how-to books, are really confusing and frustrating for me. I don't know, like I see what they want you to do with the next step. I just don't see the in-between. I don't see the whole picture. Visually for me, not a good tool for me to complete the task. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you through video, step by step, how to do it. So here we go, the Origami Crane.
The objective of this project is that you'll be able to say the I can statement, which is, I can make a crane by using origami folding methods. You should be able to say this by the end of the assignment. In order to do this assignment, the supplies that are needed, it's just a square piece of paper, which is awesome. Now ladies and gentlemen, the first thing that you're going to do with your square is that you're going to fold it horizontally and also vertically. Now before we really get into the nitty-gritty, I want to make sure that you understand that folding needs to be done with precision. You need to make sure that your sides are lined up with your sides, that your corners are lined up with your corners, and that really almost every fold is done by scoring, and I use my fingernail to score. So you need to make sure that it's nice and neat. The more you focus on folding from the very beginning, the better your product will turn out in the end. So one more time, folding horizontally and vertically. Now in this video you're going to see this symbol a lot. It's the pause symbol. What I'm asking you to do is make sure that you pause the video at this time, make sure that you are completed with the step that we just went through, and then if you have to go back and view the step one more time, you can do that. Now what you'll do is you'll take your square and you're going to fold it from corner to corner, which is going to make a diagonal fold. Remember, corner to corner, nice and neat. Score the fold, and once you're done with that diagonal fold, then you're going to do the opposite, corner to corner, and score your fold. Once you're done with that last fold, then you can reopen your square, place it on your table so that your diagonal folds are your mountainous folds and your horizontal vertical folds are now your valley folds. Step 3 consists of taking your paper and making it into the square base. You can do this by gently pressing down on the peak of the paper and then bringing two opposite corners together. You'll find when combining those two corners together, your paper will automatically want to fold into the square base. Now when you set your paper down in front of you, make sure that you have the flappy ends facing you. Step 4 consists of taking a corner and folding it towards the center, and taking that edge and lining it right up to that center line. Again, making sure that your fold is nice and neat and that you score your fold. Once you're done with one side, then you're going to do the same thing with the other side. Now that you have something that looks something like a kite, what you're going to do is you're going to take that top triangle and you're going to fold it to the back. Make sure that the top point of that triangle is lined up with the middle of your square base. In step 5, we make our petal fold. Now as you turn your square base around, you need to undo your 2 folds that you've already done, and then you're going to take that bottom corner, the top bottom corner, you're going to stretch it to the top and allow the folds that you have made to fold inward. Step number 6 is a lot of repeat. What we do is on the opposite side, we fold in our corners as we did on the other side. Make sure that they're nice and neat, near the center, that you score them. And then once you're done placing them in, you're going to undo them, and then just like you did with the other petal fold, you're going to make the opposite side as the petal fold. This is what we call the bird base. In step number 7, you are preparing your bird's head and your bird's tail. Now you do this by taking the side corners, and again you're folding them in near the center. Not over the center, just near the center. Again, you're wanting your folds to be very precise, and you're wanting to score your folds. You're going to do this to the left and to the right. And then once done with the front, you're going to flip it to the back and do the same for the back. These folds that you are doing to complete this portion of the bird are called valley folds. A valley fold is when the crease is at the bottom, or in other words, it's when the paper is folded forward into itself. That is a valley fold. Step 8 consists of preparing your reverse folds and then doing your reverse folds. This portion of the assignment, your bird's head, and also makes your bird's tail. Step number 9 is placing in the reverse fold for the opposite side of your bird. In this final step, you will fold down both of your wings. In folding down your wings, you're not going to want to score this fold. You kind of want your wings just to kind of hang out there rather than be bent down all the way. And then once done with your wings, then you will prepare your reverse fold and then apply your reverse fold into your head. Now it doesn't matter which side your head goes on, either the left or the right, whichever one you choose. And there you have your origami crane. Now that we're at the end of the assignment, I want you to assess yourself and check to see if you can say, I can make an origami crane by using origami folding techniques.